we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
However, if you are feeding a mixed birdseed containing millet and milo, then something that looks like grass will grow. Millet grows into a pale green shiny plant used in cereals, and birdseed that looks like grass.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.